Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to prevent server members from sending you friend requests on Discord, especially with the new update. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so we can access the settings you need. Once you're in, look for the gear icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. This icon represents user settings. Click on it to enter your settings menu. Now that you're in the settings, scroll down the left sidebar until you find the Friend Requests option. Click on that, and you'll see a few settings related to managing who can send you friend requests. Here comes the important part. You'll see an option labeled Server Members. This is the setting we want to focus on. To prevent members from the servers you're in from sending you friend requests, simply toggle this option off. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully disabled friend requests from server members. This feature is perfect for those who prefer to keep their friend list exclusive or simply want to minimize unsolicited requests. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks on using Discord. Thanks for watching and enjoy your time on Discord.